In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products from Alibaba to Shopify. Now, what you're going to do to be able to connect both Alibaba and Shopify together is very simple. You're going to use the feature called Apps Available in Shopify. If you click on Add Apps, you will be able to see this pop-up page over here. Simply scroll down and you will be able to see this option, Shopify App Store. Simply select this and you will be redirected to another page wherein you will be able to explore and view different types of apps, as you can see here, that you could use that would be able to improve your experience with Shopify. So what you're going to do to be able to use Alibaba's product into Shopify is to search Alibaba in the Shopify App Store. Alibaba, there we go. And you will be able to see the different apps available that we will be able to use, which is the dropshipping Alibaba official over here. This is what you're going to use specifically. So you're going to have to install this into your Shopify store. And you will be able to do a lot of different products such as sync in a few clicks, fast and reliable shipping, and vast selection of product. Using this product or app will allow you to get products from Alibaba. For example, this one over here, this cable, you will be able to sell it as a drop shipping method in Shopify. And I believe you will be able to do it vice versa as well, where you could sell products from Shopify into your store that you have in Alibaba. So let me check out the Shopify over here. As you can see here, what you're going to do is you're going to authorize the installation. Simply click on Install App. And you will be able to successfully install a specific application, specifically Alibaba, of course, with your Shopify. But of course, you're going to log into your Alibaba account. You could either log in with your account that you have created in Alibaba or through the socials that you have. And as you can see here, after logging in, I will now be able to search different types of product. For example, over here, I can simply click on Add to Import List, which would allow me to have it in my imported list over here. And then through this imported list or import list, as you can see, I have my product over here. I could now push it to store, which would push it to our Shopify store. As you can see here, I could select the store that we have, push to store, and we will be able to check it out over here in our Shopify if it processed correctly. Let's see. It's not here yet, so let's wait. It's pushing right now, so you're going to have to give it a bit of time. But you get the idea. You're going to search for a product, add it to your import list, and now we are currently in the import list, and we have pushed it. As you can see, push succeeded. Let's refresh our product page in Shopify. Let's see if we will be able to see the product that we have gotten from Alibaba. Let's see, there we go. We now have the product from Alibaba available in our product page over here that we can now start selling in our Shopify as well. And that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.